chapter? Raise your hand who are liking to do this chapter. This is very interesting. इसमें आप visualize कर रहे हो. It is kind of a game. Very good. I can see many hands. Very good. Hands down. First of all, okay, hands down, Betty. Hands down. Betty, at the top of your module, you can see very well at the top it is written activity. Okay, I will be telling you कि कौन से words को आपने अभी underline करना है. See here, to check whether the given shape has rotational symmetry. Before start, you must know. Before starting the module, you must know. क्या? You must know that first point is the action of an object. First point है आपका the action. Please इसको underline करो. The action. Sentence में please इसको underline करो. The action of an object moving in a circle around a central fixed point is called rotation. Rotation को underline करो. It means we are talking about the action which is happening. If I am going to rotate this, if I am going to rotate this, this is horizontal. I am going to rotate it like this and like this and this. I am going to rotate it. It means this action of rotation, action of this object in either way. It could be clockwise also. It could be anti-clockwise also. कहीं भी हो सकती है rotation. ठीक है, that is called a rotation. अपनी first sentence में please underline the action as well as rotation. Second is the point. The point around. Underline करो इसको. Whatever I am writing here, you have to underline that. The point around. Point around. Around which point it is rotating. That is called the center of rotation. Underline करो इसको. Center of rotation. Okay. So you must know what is center of rotation. The thing which is moving around a fixed point. Third point is the angle through which an object is rotated is called the angle of rotation. Please underline the angle. Third point, the angle. Underline karo. The angle about which an object is rotated is called the angle of rotation. Angle of rotation. Now, raise your hand who understand how to see the angle of rotation. जिनको पता है कि angle of rotation कैसे देखा जाता है. Raise your hand. Rotation तो you have come to know. कि yes, we are rotating the object. Okay, anti-clockwise or clockwise. I showed you on that day, we have a rectangle. We show, sometimes we rotate it like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, we are rotating it, it is fine. But how do you check okay, what is the angle of rotation? Raise your hand. Anybody know? Anybody who knows what is angle of rotation? Okay, then listen to me, everybody. Everybody look straight. Oh, okay, yes, sunflower betty, yes. First boy, please tell me. How would you tell me the angle of rotation? Everybody listen to him carefully.
Dot on a corner.
Please repeat, beta. Please repeat.
Put that dot on a corner to check rotation of it.
Okay, okay. Please sit down. Sit down. Now, everybody look straight. Abhi kuch nahi karna hai. We will start the question only when you will be understanding these all 3-4 points which are written at the top. Abhi kuch nahi likhna hai. Please, everybody look straight. See, I have a rectangle over here. Okay. I am rotating it like this now. 90 डिग्री से मैंने इसको रोटेट कर दिया. ठीक है. Is it looking like same? No, no. I am rotating it once more. I am going further. मैं इसको फिर से 90 डिग्री पे रोटेट कर रही हूँ like this. Is it looking same? If yes, raise your hand. Yes, it is looking same. It means you have come to know कि जब हमने इसको hands down, we rotated it twice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Some problem in 6 step for you to on the camera.
Okay. If children can hear me, I can start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please, children, who can see here? Look, what I did is I showed you this rectangle in the beginning. It was this original. ठीक है, फिर मैंने इसको twist किया. I rotated it like this. Okay, it is not the same, not matching to the original. Okay, फिर मैंने इसको further एक और next rotation किया like this. तो फिर क्या हुआ? It is looking like same. It is same. Okay, it is looking like original only. Again, I am rotating like this. No, it is not matching. Third time. Fourth time, when I rotate it again, it is looking like same. It means here also it is matching. Okay, so what is that? How many times it is looking like the same? 2 times. So what will be the order? What will be the order of symmetry? Will be equal to 2. Okay, one is here and one is here. So now tell me at what angle it is looking same. When I rotated it at 90 degree, it is not same. When I rotate it further, again 90 degree, it is looking same. So can you tell me here, what is the angle of rotation? Yes, tell me who know it. 180 degree, raise your hand. मेरे को थोड़ा सा सुनाई दे रहा है जो कह रहे हैं. 180 degree is the angle of rotation because 180 degree पे जाके it is looking like same. Very good, hands down. Row section, have you understood, beta? Yes, ma'am. Very good. At 180 degree, 90 was here, 90 was here, 90 plus 90. When we reached at 180 degree, we saw the figure is looking like the same. Original figure से match कर रही है वो. It means the angle of rotation is 180 degree. Okay, so now you can see how we see the angle of rotation. Now, next fourth point, see the module. We will be doing very interesting figures today. Fourth point में आपको क्या underline करना है? See here, I'm going to read it. A figure which on rotation around a point, underline करो. Around a point. Looks the same as original is called, is said to have rotational symmetry. This is called rotational symmetry. इसको underline करो. I'm writing in short form. These are the 4 points you have to keep in mind. Okay, to get the knowledge about the angle of rotation. Rotation के बारे में whatever is known to you, it is all written here in these 4 points. ठीक है, otherwise also key points में मैंने आपको लिखवाए थे first time जब class लगी थी. Let us start the question now. First question is trace the following shapes. We are not going to trace it. Figures are in front of you. You have to see there only because you need not draw these figures in the notebook. Okay, these figures you have to show me. Trace the following shapes on tracing paper and write the order of symmetry. You have to write the order of symmetry here. First figure. Everybody see it very carefully. We are talking about the first figure. It is originally like this. ठीक है, आपको पता है कि वो ऐसे ही rotate करेगी. इस direction में you can say it is moving like this. I'm putting an arrow. Visualize करो. If we rotate it like this, what will be the order of symmetry? how many times the figure will look same? You have to see how many times the figure is looking same. Imagine karo. If we rotate it like this, will it look good, same over here? If yes, raise your hand. Will it look same? जब इसको rotate करोगे? Yes. Second time, if I rotating further, will it look same here? Yes. This is one time. This is second time. Now we are rotating further in this direction. Is it looking same? Yes, figure is looking same. You can see how rotate kar that fan is rotating like this. Har ek time, every time when you are rotating, it is looking same. Right? Let us do next also. Let us rotate last time. It is matching with the original, which we call it last rotation. So what is the order of rotation here, beta?
1, 3.
Very good, very good. Let me ask. Lotus section. Harsirat Kaur. Harsirat, Lotus section. She is present or not? No. Okay. Let me call other child. Kusaldeep. No, why not? Children are coming. Lotus section. Please come fast, beta. Can you tell me what is the order of rotation here? Order of symmetry? Mic on karo. Put on mic, beta. 4. Do you have any doubt? किसको लग रहा है कि 4 होगा order of symmetry? Please raise your hand. Okay. मेरे को 3 भी सुन रहा है. कई बच्चे सोच रहे हैं कि 3 होगा. बेटे आप बैठो. Thank you. Please sit down. Who was saying 3? Order of symmetry is 3. It is not 3. Actually, it is 4. You know why? 1 time, second time, third time, fourth time. 4 times it is looking same. And you will say, कई बच्चों को doubt होगा कि 4th time तो वो original position में है. Yes. That last position when it is superimposing on the original position, that is also counted. ठीक है, वापिस से जब वो अपनी position पे चला जाएगा, that is also counted as order equal to 1. ठीक है, तो it is 1, 2, 3, 4, तो order is 4. You can write the answer here. उसके नीचे figure के नीचे you can write the answer order of symmetry 4. In the module only you can write. Second figure is, see the second figure. Rotate it. Imagine it is rotating. See it carefully. I'm giving you time. 2 minutes. Everybody see. How many times it is looking same? Very good. Raise your hand. Who are saying 8? I could hear काफी बच्चे बोल रहे हैं 8. Very good. This is 8. You can see after counting. जिन्होंने count नहीं किया है, they can count it. Okay. Good. 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 Sunflower, please sit down. I can see everybody's hand. Even if you're sitting, I can see your hand. Okay. Don't come to the camera. Fine. It is 8 because you know at every angle, it is not 90-degree angle. छोटे angles and maybe it is 45-degree, right? So it is moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. उसको 8 times आप rotate कर रहे हो and it is looking at every angle. Third one. There is a square. You can say, okay, what is the order of symmetry? 4 times. Very good. This is simple. Very easily you are visualizing. Aapki imagination is working a lot. Right? Third one. This is a triangle. And triangle ka jo name hai, that is equilateral triangle. Equilateral. If you want, you can write it down. Equilateral triangle. इसका नेम है इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. सो व्हाट विल बी द ऑर्डर? 3 because at every corner it is matching with the previous corner. Okay, that is wonderful. You have understood what is the order of symmetry. Let us do next MCQ. Which of the following is not a symmetrical figure? Very good, very good. You can see first figure, you can see very well line of symmetry उसमें दिखाई दे रही है, B में भी दिखाई दे रही है, C में भी दिखाई दे रही है. We did these questions, हमने first module में किया था. And D is such a figure जिसमें line of symmetry नहीं है. What is the name of this figure? Who will tell me? What is the name of the figure? What do you call it? इसको क्या बोलते हो ऐसी वाली figure को? Is it a rectangle? No. Then what is this? Please write it. Write its name. Its name is parallelogram. Soon you will be studying about this. अगर अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा है, this is a new name for you. Please write it down. Its name. This is a parallelogram. You know what happens in parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here these are equal and parallel. So they are not. There is not any line of symmetry. अगर आप vertical draw करोगे, then also they are not symmetrical. If you will draw horizontal, then also no, they are not symmetrical क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा slanting है. Okay, so it has D part is the answer which has no line of symmetry. You can tick mark it. Second question, in the word maths, which of the following pair of letters show rotational symmetry? Two letters लिखे हुए. Let me call the name. Daffodil section. Harmeher Singh, Daffodil section. Please tell me second MCQ. Mic on करो. रोटेशनल सिमेट्री आपको देखनी है किस किस में है. M and T में क्या रोटेशनल सिमेट्री है? Yes बेटा, yes or no? No. Okay. Then next one, B part, H and S. Yes, there is there. You know, H को जब घुमाओगे वो रेक्टेंगल की तरह काम करेगा और उसकी ऑर्डर ऑफ सिमेट्री आएगी. S की भी आएगी. C part, A and S. No, because together उनकी नहीं है. S की तो है लेकिन A की नहीं है. Together they are not happening. D part, T and S बेटा. Okay, no. Okay, sit down. Good. Answer is B. It is H and S. But I want to tell you very, very important thing over here. You know, any figure, कोई भी figure आप ले लो, कोई भी randomly कुछ भी ले लो. Suppose ये parallelogram ही ले लिया मैंने. चलो, look at the parallelogram. Everybody look here. This is a parallelogram. If I am rotating over here, इसको मैं rotate कर रही हूँ 90 डिग्री से, फिर 180 डिग्री से, and then further, will it look same? क्या इसकी order of symmetry होएगी?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, इसकी होएगी, you know, right? Otherwise, suppose I draw a right angle triangle over here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री एंगल है. क्या इसकी order of symmetry है? If yes, raise your hand. If yes, raise your hand. काफी बच्चों को no तो पता है, लेकिन yes वालों को I want to ask. Sunflower first bench boy बेटा, I can see your hand. आपका face नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. Please come बेटा. You are saying कि इसकी order of symmetry है. Please tell me how.
मैम क्योंकि मैम ये 90 डिग्री एंगल पे घूमेगा.
कौन से एंगल पे?
90 डिग्री.
90 डिग्री तो घूमेगा. That is fine. 90 डिग्री पे अगर मैं इसको घुमाती हूँ तो फिर ये 90 डिग्री पे कैसे बनेगा? ये उल्टा हो जाएगा ना. ओरिजिनल शेप तो नहीं आएगी इसकी जो ओरिजिनल है. कौन सी डिग्री पे ये ओरिजिनली दिखेगा मेरे को, कौन सी डिग्री पे दिखेगा? ओके आप बैठो बेटा, आपके पीछे वन बॉय सिटिंग, उसको भेजो। यस प्लीज क्लियर योर डाउट। अभी क्वेश्चन छोड़ दो, अभी प्लीज को देखो कि ऑर्डर ऑफ सिमेट्रीज की क्या है, अगर
मैं
है तो क्या है,
360
अगर नहीं है। हाँ जी बेटा।
मैं 360
360 वाई बता दो जल्दी से, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन इट।
मैं क्योंकि मैं ये जब घूमेगा मैं पहले ये मैं उल्टाएगा मैं उसके बाद मैं इसका उल्टाएगा मैं उसके बाद
हाँ तो ये ऐसे बन जाएगा ना, उल्टा जब इसको 360 पे करोगे, देखो पहले आपने इसको ऐसे रोटेट किया तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये ऊपर चला जाएगा, ठीक है, और आपका जो है ये साइड है वो ऐसे आ जाएगी, ठीक है। लेकिन घुमाते घुमाते ही ओरिजिनली जब ये 360 डिग्री से घूमेगा, 360 का मतलब कंप्लीटली रोटेट कर जाएगा, कंप्लीटली लास्ट फोर्थ जिसको हम बोलते हैं, तो तब तो ये जाके मिलेगा ना, तो इसका ऑर्डर क्या हो जाएगा, 1। थैंक यू बेटा, प्लीज सिट डाउन, योर कंसेप्ट इज वेरी मच क्लियर। उसे बताया कि जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को 360 डिग्री से घुमाएंगे, पूरा कंप्लीटली जब घुमा देंगे तो वो अपनी ओरिजिनल शेप में आ जाएगा। इसका मतलब ऑर्डर 1 इज ऑलवेज देयर। कोई भी आप फिगर ले लो, ऑर्डर 1 तो पक्का ही है सबके साथ, क्योंकि वो जब पूरा का पूरा घूम जाएगा तो वो अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे तो आएगा ही। डू यू एग्री? Every object has a rotational order of symmetry is equal to 1. हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट का 1 तो होना ही है। डू यू अग्री दिस? रेज योर हैंड जिनको समझ आ गया है कि 1 तो पक्का ही होगा सबका, क्योंकि वो ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे पक्का आएगी, सारी ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो है वो सेंटर में घूमते घूमते बेशक नहीं आए लेकिन लास्ट में तो अल्टीमेटली इट विल रीच। ओके हैंड्स डाउन, गुड। तो इस क्वेश्चन में आप ये लिखो कि इन द वर्ड मास विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ लेटर्स शो रोटेशनल सिमेट्री, रोटेशनल सिमेट्री रोटेशनल सिमेट्री, उसको कंप्लीट करो सेंटेंस को बेटा, ऑफ ऑर्डर मोर देन 1। 1 तो सबके साथ ही होता है ना, तो वो 1 से ज्यादा होनी चाहिए। प्लीज सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करो, उसमें अपने क्वेश्चन में साथ लिखो the word mass which in the word mass which of the following pair of letters show rotational symmetry of order more than 1। कई बच्चे लिख नहीं रहे हैं, आई कैन नॉट सी देम राइटिंग। प्लीज कंप्लीट दिस, क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट करो, क्योंकि आपको 1 से ज्यादा ढूंढना है। 1 तो सबके साथ ही होता है, रोटेशनल सिमेट्री तो होती है सबकी, एटलीस्ट 1 तो सबकी होती है। वी आर सर्चिंग फॉर दैट विच इज मोर देन 1। ओके कंप्लीट करो सेंटेंस को, वहां पे क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट करो। लास्ट लाइन है आपकी, लास्ट जो वर्ड है, रोटेशनल सिमेट्री ऑफ ऑर्डर मोर देन 1। हैव यू रिटन ऑल ऑफ यू? रेज योर हैंड। गुड, नाउ इट इज फाइनल। ओके व्हेन यू विल रिवाइज लेटर यू विल कम टू नो कि एक से ज्यादा रोटेशनल सिमेट्री होनी चाहिए, वो आपके गिने जाएंगे। यहाँ पे 1 तो सबकी ही होती है, रोटेशनल सिमेट्री तो सारी फिगर्स की होती है, राइट? ओके थर्ड क्वेश्चन बेटा, the number of lines of symmetry in the figure given below। figure is given to you, ध्यान से उसको देखो, pencil is with you, you have to see number of lines of symmetry। please start drawing, all of you pencil से draw करो and tell me, I will be asking you soon। lines of symmetry, draw it। question number 3, carefully you can see in the figure, ये ऐसे आपको एक दिखाई दे रही है साइड, यहाँ पे एक लाइन आएगी आपकी, आई एम गिविंग यू हिंट, एक यहाँ पे आएगी सेंटर में, ठीक है, जो आपकी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बनेगी, जहां पे आपके कॉर्नर्स है सबसे एक लाइन बनेगी, उसके साथ फिर से आपके पास जो साइड वाली है ये वाली, यहां से भी एक लाइन जाएगी। प्लीज काउंट इट, हाउ मेनी लाइंस आर देयर। डैफोडिल बेटा, फर्स्ट बेंच गर्ल, वेरी गुड, जल्दी से बता दो। 6 कौन कौन सी है? 6 is the correct answer. It is C option. But यहाँ पे लिख लो, hint लिख लो everybody. 3 lines from the corners. From corners. Corners कौन सी हैं आपके? ये वाले corners, ये वाले. Okay, दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको. And 3 from the 3 lines from sides. ठीक है, आपकी 3 लाइनें साइड से क्रॉस कर रही हैं, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ की है. एंड ये 3 लाइनें आपकी यहां से ड्रॉ कर रही हैं, कॉर्नर से निकल रही हैं. 6. Has everybody drawn? Raise your hand. सबने लाइंस ड्रॉ की हैं. 6 lines of symmetry. Very good. You have understood. Very good. Hands down. 4th question. The number of lines of symmetry in the figure is? Question number 4. The number of lines of symmetry. I can hear. You are saying 3. You can see. Yeah. Good children. All can see 3. Raise your hand. जिसने 3 कर लिए हैं draw. Sunflower say I can see hands. Very good. Daffodil also I can see. Very good. Rose section. Can you see 3 lines of symmetry? Very good. Lotus. Have you drawn? Good. Very good, beta. It is B option. There are 3 lines of symmetry. आप देख रही हो बेटा फिगर वो जनरली ट्राइंगल की तरह दिखाई दे रहा है ना. शेप तो कुछ और है, बट आउटर बाउंड्री अगर उसको देखो वो ट्राइंगल की तरह दिख रहा है. तो ट्राइंगल में तो 3 होती हैं लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री. ठीक है. 5th question. The order of rotational symmetry in the figure. Order of rotation. ठीक है. The object is rotating slowly at every angle. हर एक पॉइंट पे एक स्टार ड्रॉ करो. Is it 6? Raise your hand. Is it 6? Sunflower, ये this boy near the wall इस साइड पे. या प्लीज कम बेटा. हाँ जी बेटे. 6. Please tell me who have written 6. जिनको 6 दिखाई दे रही है. Order. Very good. This is 6. Answer option is C. 6 times the figure is looking same when you are rotating it slowly. Next question is the order of rotational symmetry in the figure is? Question number 6. Here the order is? Here the order is? रोटेट करो उसको. क्या ये एक रेक्टेंगल की तरह दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? Yes, daffodil बेटा. Yes, daffodil. Yeah, first bench girl. Please tell me. Very good. 2. This is 2. B option. But this design is most of the time it is looking like a rectangle. Rectangle की भी order 2 होती है, इसकी भी 2 है. ठीक है. When you are rotating, it is looking like twice. It is looking the same. 2 बार ऐसी दिखाई दे रही है, एक 90 पे और फिर से 90 पे. 180 degree पे it is looking same. Which of the following has a line of symmetry? It is C option. Very good. T की line of symmetry है, आपको पता है, हमने पहले भी किए थे लेटर्स का. बाकी किसी की line of symmetry नहीं है, F की नहीं है, क्वेश्चन मार्क की नहीं है, that more figure is drawn, that उसकी भी line of symmetry नहीं है. Let us do assertion reason. First one, assertion. The type of symmetry in which a figure looks the same on rotation about a point is called rotational symmetry. True. Very good. फटाफट से इनके आंसर्स लिख लो because you know आपने काफी क्वेश्चंस ये कर लिए हुए हैं. Reason. The measure 360 degree is the angle of rotational symmetry. Of course, 360 degree rotational symmetry है, क्योंकि 360 डिग्री पे सारी फिगर्स जो है वो ओरिजिनल जैसी दिखनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. Right? So 360 is the angle of symmetry. So this is true. The option is B. Second, The quadrilateral which has both line and rotational symmetry of order more than one is called a parallelogram. Line of symmetry, क्या parallelogram की line of symmetry होती है? No, this is false. Reason? In a rectangle, the angle of rotation is 180 degree. In a rectangle, angle of rotation is 180 degree.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
मैम आपने एजेंशन रीजन दोनों ट्रू किए और आपने ऑप्शन बी की है ए
हाँ।
ऑप्शन है
हाँ, आपका मतलब ए आने चाहिए वहां पे.
मैम
ओके बेटा, हमने बी इसलिए की है कि आपके जो फर्स्ट है उसमें वो बोल रहे हैं कि रोटेशनल सिमेट्री द टाइप की बताइए, रोटेशनल सिमेट्री के बारे में उसकी डेफिनेशन बताई हुई है. ठीक है, और रीजन में क्या बताने कि 360 डिग्री जो होता है एक एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन होता है. वहां पे बात हो रही है एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन कितने डिग्री का है. ठीक है, दे आर ट्रू, नो डाउट. ठीक है, लेकिन उसमें डिग्री की बात नहीं हो रही है. फर्स्ट वाले में सिर्फ हमारा टाइप ऑफ सिमेट्री की बात हो रही है, डेफिनेशन की बात हो रही है. तो आपको पता है कि बी ऑप्शन हम तब भी लिखते हैं जब हमारे पास दोनों ट्रू होती हैं, बट दे आर नॉट रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर एट प्रेजेंट. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग इट बी. प्लीज बी केयरफुल, ए और बी में काफी बच्चों को कंफ्यूजन होती है. बेटा ए हम ऑप्शन तब लेते हैं जब हमारी ए दोनों ट्रू है और दोनों रिलेटेड है. ओके, हियर ऑल्सो इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोथ आर true, it is fine, but the reason we are talking about measurement, so that's why it is B option. Okay, second question me, this is false. Reason, a rectangle, in rectangle the angle of rotation is 180 degree. Is it true? Yes, किया था आपने अभी. It is D option. Next one, third question. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Is it true? Yes. Assertion is true. Reason, a line of symmetry is a line that passes through the center of the shape and divides it into 2 symmetrical parts. Yeah, this is true. Here also. Here the option will come A. क्योंकि they are talking about line of symmetry कि वो line of symmetry क्या होती है और equilateral triangle में line of symmetry वो 3 कैसे आया, क्योंकि उसकी 3 equal sides होती हैं. This is A option. Okay बेटा, अब आपका last question है. This is crossword. Okay, I am giving you a hint by telling the answers. At home, please write these all in the boxes and match it. Okay. I'm going to write the answer. Your time is going to up. First, write the answers of across. इनके answers लिख लो. I'm giving you hint. You have to complete at home by reading all the sentences. Okay. Two identical figures or object. What do we call it? This is, what do we call it? Two identical shapes. एक जैसी shapes को हम क्या बोलते हैं? नंबर लिखो इसका और साथ में इसका आंसर लिखो. ओके, वी कॉल इट सिमेट्रिक. बेटे इनके स्पेलिंग्स ध्यान से लिखना, बिकॉज स्पेलिंग्स आपकी सारी स्पेलिंग्स जो है वो बॉक्सेस के अंदर आने हैं. ठीक है, अक्रॉस का आंसर, अ ट्राइंगल हैविंग 3 एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. Equilateral triangle. Okay, next one, the type of symmetry in which a figure looks the same on rotation about a point in the figure. It is called rotational symmetry. I am giving you a hint only. You will do this at home. Okay? Rotational symmetry. Fifth one. The number of times a figure looks the same. The number of times a figure looks the same in a complete rotation is called order. This is called order. ठीक है, write the answers in notebook या फिर मॉड्यूल में कहीं भी जहां भी आपने लिखना है लिख सकते हो. And seventh one is after fifth there is a seventh number because आपका across में 7 number है. It is the line along which a figure is symmetrical. The line along which a figure is symmetrical. उसको हम axis भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, वहां पे सिर्फ 4 boxes है. So axis is the another name of line of symmetry. इसको hint लिख लो. This put a star over here. ये आपको थोड़ा न्यू नेम लगेगा एक्सिस. हमने क्यों एक्सिस नेम लिया है? क्योंकि वहां पे 4 बॉक्सेस हैं, आपको 4 बॉक्सेस में वो लेटर्स फिल करने हैं. ओके. 8th one, the number of lines of symmetry of a regular polygon of 9 sides is 9. Write the answer. 10th one, the measure 360 degree is the angle of rotation. Angle. 9th one is angle of rotation. बेटा इसको लिख लो. After this I'm going to close. A simple closed figure having infinite lines of symmetry. कौन सी फिगर होती है जिसकी infinite lines of symmetry होती हैं? You know it. Circle. It is circle. Parallel to level ground. Ground is horizontal. You know, ground is horizontal. So it will be parallel to level ground will be horizontal. Your 6th point will be horizontal. Spellings. If your spellings are wrong, it will not match your crossword. Be careful. Last point is a polygon whose all sides and all angles are equal in measure. What we call it? You know its name. Tell me. It is called polygon. It is called polygon. Please write down spellings. A polygon, just a minute. A polygon whose all sides and all angles are equal in measure. It's a please tick करो इसको. It is regular. Regular. हमने डिस्कस किया था कि रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन क्या होते हैं, जिसकी सारी साइड्स और सारे एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ रेज योर हैंड हु हैव रिटन ऑल द हैंड्स. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ओके. जब भी आप क्रॉसवर्ड करते हो इन एनी सब्जेक्ट, वेदर मैथ्स, इंग्लिश, साइंस, एनी सब्जेक्ट, you have to write the spellings carefully so that you can fill all the boxes. Okay, beta? Sure, all the best. Please complete this at home and revise it. Okay, bye-bye.
library